Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Here's a description of a modern rustic living room seamlessly connected to a peaceful rural garden. Living room, warm gray wood. The walls and ceiling are clad in a warm, light gray wood that creates a sense of cozy sophistication. The natural wood grain adds a touch of rustic charm. Large windows, floor-to-ceiling windows span one wall, blurring the lines between the indoors and the tranquil garden outside. Ample natural light floods the room, showcasing the connection to nature. Clean lines, modern touches. While the overall feel is rustic, clean lines in the furniture and modern light fixtures add a touch of contemporary elegance. Think sleek sofas with clean-cut silhouettes and minimalist pendant lights. Cozy fireplace. A large stone fireplace anchors one wall, providing warmth and a focal point for the room. Imagine curling up with a book on a cozy evening, the crackle of the fire filling the space. Woven accents. Woven textures like chunky knit throws on the sofas, a hand-woven rug on the floor, or woven baskets for storing firewood add warmth and a touch of rustic charm. Peaceful rural garden, lavender fields. Imagine stepping outside the living room and being greeted by the calming sight of lavender fields swaying gently in the breeze. The fragrant purple blooms add a touch of rustic elegance and attract pollinators like butterflies. Meandering stone path. A winding stone path meanders through the lavender fields, inviting exploration and providing a peaceful retreat. Seating areas strategically placed along the path encourage moments of quiet contemplation amidst the beauty of nature. Rustic pergola. A rustic pergola, crafted from rough-hewn wood, creates a shaded haven in the garden. Hanging baskets brimming with colorful annuals adorn the pergola, adding pops of color. Cozy outdoor furniture invites you to relax and soak in the peaceful ambience. Natural materials. The garden incorporates natural materials like weathered wood, stone, and terracotta pots to create a harmonious connection with the surrounding rural landscape. Overall vibe. This design is a beautiful blend of modern and rustic elements. The warm gray wood in the living room creates a sense of comfort and sophistication, while the peaceful rural garden offers a tranquil escape. Imagine waking up to the gentle sounds of nature, enjoying your morning coffee amidst the lavender fields, and unwinding in the evenings with the soothing glow of the fireplace. Additional touches. Exposed beam ceilings. Exposed beam ceilings in the living room can further enhance the rustic charm. Vintage furniture. A vintage armchair or reclaimed coffee table can add a touch of history and uniqueness to the space. Rustic lighting. Consider antique lanterns or wrought iron sconces for a rustic touch to the outdoor lighting. Water feature. A small, trickling water feature in the garden can add a calming sound element. This is just a starting point. Personalize it further by incorporating elements that reflect your personal style and rural surroundings. Let your imagination flow and create a haven that celebrates both modern comfort and the tranquility of rural life. Here are several compelling reasons to consider a modern rustic living room with gray wood walls and a peaceful rural garden. Modern rustic living room, warm and inviting atmosphere. The combination of warm gray wood and modern touches creates a space that feels both stylish and inviting. The gray wood adds a touch of sophistication, while the rustic elements create a sense of warmth and comfort. Versatility of gray. Gray is a versatile color that pairs well with a variety of furniture styles and decor elements. This allows you to personalize the space to your taste without worrying about clashing colors. Modern touches for functionality. Modern furniture and lighting offer clean lines and functionality, making the space feel open and uncluttered. This is especially beneficial in smaller living rooms. Connection with nature. Large windows blur the lines between the indoors and outdoors, bringing the tranquility of the garden into the living space. Peaceful rural garden. Stress reduction and improved well-being. Studies have shown that spending time surrounded by nature can reduce stress, improve mood, and promote feelings of well-being. Having a peaceful garden readily accessible from your living room allows you to easily connect with nature and reap these benefits. year-round beauty. The garden can be designed to offer beauty throughout the year. With careful plant selection, you can have blooming flowers in spring and summer, vibrant foliage in fall, and even winter interest with evergreens or sculptural plants. Increased property value. A well-maintained and aesthetically pleasing garden can add value to your property. A haven for wildlife. A peaceful rural garden can attract birds, butterflies, and other beneficial insects, creating a haven for wildlife and promoting biodiversity. Combined benefits. A seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. The large windows and connection to the peaceful garden create a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. This allows you to extend your living space outdoors and enjoy the fresh air and natural beauty, tranquility, and relaxation. The combination of the modern rustic living room and the peaceful rural garden creates a calming and relaxing environment. This is a perfect space to unwind after a long day or simply enjoy a quiet moment surrounded by nature. Unique aesthetic. The blend of modern and rustic elements creates a unique and stylish aesthetic that reflects a connection to nature. Overall, a modern rustic living room with gray wood walls and a peaceful rural garden offers a stylish, inviting, and tranquil living space that allows you to connect with nature and create a haven of relaxation in your own home. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing your modern rustic living room with gray wood and a peaceful rural garden. 1. Define your needs and budget. Living room. Consider how many people will use the living room and what activities you'll do there. Do you need dedicated areas for relaxing, entertaining, or working from home? Garden. Think about your desired level of maintenance and how you'll use the garden. Will you need space for vegetable gardening, entertaining outdoors, or simply relaxing in nature? Budget. Determine your overall budget for the living room renovation and garden design. This will help guide your material selections and project scope. 2. Design inspiration for living room. Browse online resources. Websites and magazines showcasing modern rustic living rooms can provide inspiration for color palettes, furniture styles, and layout ideas. Consider reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood wall panels or furniture pieces can add a touch of rustic charm and history to the space. Sample and test paint colors. Gray wood comes in various shades. Order paint samples and test them on your walls to find the perfect warm gray that complements your lighting and furniture. 3. Garden design and plant selection. Research your rural climate zone. This will help you choose plants that thrive in your specific environment and require minimal maintenance. Sketch a garden layout. Consider factors like sunlight availability, drainage, and desired seating areas. Consult with a local nursery or gardening expert. They can advise you on selecting plants that are native to your region and best suited for a peaceful garden aesthetic. Consider low-maintenance options like lavender, ornamental grasses, or flowering shrubs. 4. Living room renovation and furniture selection. Flooring. Choose a flooring material that complements the gray wood walls. Consider options like light-colored hardwood floors, engineered wood, or even cozy area rugs. Furniture selection. Look for furniture with clean lines and a mix of materials like wood, leather, or woven fabrics. Opt for natural textures and comfortable seating. Lighting. A blend of modern pendant lights and rustic table lamps can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 5. Connecting the indoors and outdoors. Large windows or sliding glass doors maximize natural light and create a seamless flow between the living room and the peaceful garden. Outdoor living space. Create a designated outdoor seating area with comfortable furniture and shade, like a patio or a deck, for enjoying the tranquility of your garden. Indoor plants. Incorporate potted plants in the living room to further blur the lines between the indoors and outdoors. Enjoy the process, take your time and have fun with the process. Consider visiting local antique shops or flea markets to find unique rustic decor pieces. By following these steps and personalizing the design to your tastes, you can create a modern rustic living room with a warm gray wood ambience that seamlessly connects to your peaceful rural garden retreat. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.